Exercise 1.1, question number 1, parts 5 and 6. Question number 2, parts 5 and 6. Question number 3, parts 2, 4, 9 and 10. Exercise 1.2, question number 1, parts 3, 8, 9 and 10. Exercise 1.3, questions 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 16. Exercise 1.4, questions 3, 5, 8 and 10. Exercise 2.1, question number 3, question number 4, part 3, question number 5, 6, 7, question number 8, second part, question number 9 and 10. Exercise 2.2, question number 1, part 3 and 4. Question number 2, parts 3, 4, 6 and 8. Question number 4, part 1, question number 5, part 3, question number 6, part 1. Exercise 2.4, question number 1, part 3, question number 2, part 4, question number 3, part 2. Exercise 2.5, question number 1, parts G and H. Question number 2, parts A and E. Exercise 2.6, question number 1, part 2, question number 2, part 1 and 3. Question number 3, parts 1 and 2. Question number 4, parts 1 and 3. Question number 5, parts 1 and 2. Exercise 2.7, questions 3, 4, 6, 7, 11 and 13. Exercise 2.8, questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exercise 3.1, question number 1, parts 3 and 4. Questions 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Question number 10, part 3. Question number 11, part 4 and 5. Exercise 3.2, questions 4, 5, 10 and 13. Exercise 3.3, question number 1, parts 4, 5 and 6. Question number 2, parts 4, 5 and 6. Question number 3, part 4. Question number 4, parts 3 and 4. Exercise 3.4, question number 1, parts 7 and 8. Question number 2, parts 2, 5, 8 and 10. Exercise 3.5, questions 2, 4 and 6. Exercise 3.6, question number 1, parts 3, 4 and 5. Question number 2, parts 1 and 4. Question number 2, parts 1 and 2. Exercise 3.7, question number 3, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Exercise 4.1, questions 7 and 8. Exercise 4.2, questions 4 and 7. Exercise 4.3, questions 7 and 8. Exercise 4.4, questions 2, 5 and 6. Exercise 5.1, questions 4 and 6. Exercise 5.2, question number 1, parts 6 and 7. Question number 2, parts 3 and 4. Question number 3, question number 4, part 1. Exercise 5.3, question number 1, parts 4 and 6. Question number 3, question number 4, parts 3 and 5. Exercise 5.4, question number 3 and 5. Exercise 5.5, questions 5 and 6. Exercise 6.1, questions 1, 3 and 5. Exercise 6.2, questions 3, 6, 9 and 12. Exercise 6.3, questions 4, 5 and 6. Exercise 7.1, question number 1, parts 7 and 8. Question number 2, part 3. Question number 3, parts 5 and 6. Question number 4, parts 5, 6 and 8. Question number 5, parts 6, 7 and 8. Exercise 7.2, question number 1, part 2. Question number 2, part 2. Questions 5, 6, 8, 10 and 11. Exercise 7.3, question number 1, parts 2 and 4. Question number 2, parts 3 and 4. Question number 3, parts 3 and 4. Question number 4, parts 5 and 6. Question number 7, 8 and 9. Question number 12, parts 6, 7 and 11. Exercise 7.4, questions 3, 5, 8, 10, 11 and 16. Question number 18, 21, 23 and 24. Exercise 7.5, questions 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now important theorems. Chapter number 8, theorem 1, 2 and 3. Chapter number 9, theorem 2 and 4. Chapter number 10, theorems 1, 3, 4a and 4b. Chapter number 11, theorems 1 and 3. Chapter number 12, theorems 1 and 4. Now, important questions for practical geometry. Exercise 13.1, question number 1, part 2, question number 3, part 2, question number 5 and question number 6. Exercise 13.2, questions 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9. Exercise 13.3, questions 1, 3, 5, 8, 9 and 11. Note: all solved examples given in the book must be done. All miscellaneous exercises are also very important.